Planting issues can arise for various reasons, and addressing them promptly is essential to ensure the health and success of your garden or plants. Here are 5 common planting issues. 1. Poor soil quality. Plants require the right balance of nutrients and drainage for healthy growth. If your soil lacks essential nutrients or has poor drainage, it can lead to stunted growth, nutrient deficiencies, and even plant death. 2. Overwatering or underwatering. Incorrect watering is a common problem. Overwatering can drown the roots, leading to root rot, while underwatering can cause the plant to wither and die due to dehydration. 3. Improper plant spacing. Planting too closely together can result in overcrowding, competition for resources like sunlight and nutrients, and increased susceptibility to diseases. On the other hand, if plants are spaced too far apart, it can lead to inefficient land use and reduced yields. 4. Pests and diseases. Insects, fungi, bacteria, and other pests and diseases can attack plants, causing damage or death. Early detection and proper management, such as using pesticides or organic alternatives, are crucial to preventing significant losses. 5. Planting at the wrong time. Planting at the wrong time of the year or during unfavorable weather conditions can hinder plant establishment and growth. It's essential to follow the recommended planting schedules for your specific region and climate. To address these planting issues, conduct a soil test to determine nutrient deficiencies and pH levels, and amend the soil accordingly. Be attentive to watering needs and adjust based on the specific requirements of each plant species. Follow spacing guidelines for each type of plant to promote healthy growth and prevent competition. Regularly inspect plants for signs of pests and diseases, and promptly take action if any issues are detected. Consult local gardening resources or agricultural extension services for accurate planting times and best practices based on your location. By being proactive and taking appropriate measures, you can minimize planting issues and improve the overall health and productivity of your garden or landscape.